Hello and welcome to the latest episode of AI Today, your one stop for all-in-one AI. In this week's highlights we have latest updates on AI, tech and robotics, trending tool and AI flash. Let's begin with latest in AI. OpenAI is preparing to test advertisements inside ChatGPT, marking its first major step toward an ad-supported model. The pilot will initially appear for a small group of users, featuring clearly labeled sponsored responses. The company says the move will help support rising compute costs while exploring sustainable revenue streams, even as paid tiers remain central to its long-term strategy. AI video startup Runway has secured $315 million in new funding, boosting its valuation to $5.3 billion as it pushes toward more capable world models. The company plans to expand research, scale infrastructure, and advance multimodal generative systems that understand and simulate real-world environments. The round underscores investor confidence in Runway's vision for the future of AI-driven creativity and simulation. Boston Dynamics has integrated Google DeepMind's Gemini AI models into its Atlas humanoid robot, marking a major leap toward autonomous industrial robotics. The upgrade enables Atlas to interpret natural language, plan actions, and adapt to complex factory environments. The collaboration aims to transform Atlas from a program machine into a versatile AI-driven agent capable of performing real-world manufacturing tasks. Alibaba has unveiled a next-generation robot brain that surpasses Google's models across several robotics and reasoning benchmarks. Built to power autonomous systems, the model improves spatial understanding, task planning, and real-world manipulation. The breakthrough strengthens China's push into advanced AI robotics and positions Alibaba as a rising competitor in global AI infrastructure and intelligent automation. Chinese AI startup Zhipu AI has introduced its new GLM-5 model, claiming performance on par with leading systems from OpenAI and Google across coding, reasoning, and agent benchmarks. Built using domestically produced chips, the open-source model highlights China's accelerating push toward frontier-level AI capabilities and reduced reliance on U.S. hardware, intensifying global competition in advanced AI development. A research team led by NVIDIA has introduced DreamDojo, a new AI training framework designed to build more capable world models. DreamDojo combines large-scale simulation, multimodal learning, and advanced generative techniques to help AI systems better understand and predict real-world environments. The project highlights NVIDIA's push to accelerate frontier AI research and strengthen its ecosystem beyond hardware. Elon Musk has downshifted his long-held Mars ambitions, repositioning SpaceX's near-term focus on building a self-sustaining city on the moon within the next decade. The pivot reflects a push for faster, more cost-effective progress as Starship advances. Musk says lunar settlement offers a practical proving ground for technologies needed for deeper space colonization. Facebook is introducing a suite of AI-powered creative features that let users animate profile photos, restyle stories and memories, and add dynamic animated backgrounds to text posts. The update expands Meta's push into generative AI for personal expression, giving users more ways to customize content and bring motion, style, and personality to everyday interactions across the platform. Anthropic evaluated its new Claude Opus 4.6 model using an unusual but revealing experiment, placing the AI in control of a simulated vending machine. The test measured how well the model handled planning, troubleshooting, and real-time decision-making. Researchers say the scenario offered a practical way to assess Claude's reasoning, autonomy, and and ability to manage dynamic, multi-step tasks. OpenAI is preparing for a potential IPO by 2026, aiming to raise at least $60 billion and reach a $1 trillion valuation. CEO Sam Altman says going public is the most likely path to fund massive AI infrastructure, despite steep operating costs and rising demand for advanced computing. Leadership sees public funding as essential to meeting escalating compute demands and sustaining long-term innovation. Now let's see what we have in tech and robotics this week. YouTube megastar MrBeast is acquiring Gen Z-focused fintech app Step, aiming to turn his massive teenage fanbase into customers for a new suite of financial products. Scientists are optimistic about a new nasal spray bird flu vaccine that showed a strong immune response in animal studies and may offer immediate protection against the virus. Alphabet just raised $32 billion, including a rare 100-year bond, signaling a long-term strategy few tech companies attempt. Instead of chasing short-term trends, it's financing AI development on a century scale, building infrastructure meant to outlast a human lifetime. Aptronik has expanded its Series A to $935 million, lifting the Austin humanoid robotics startup to a $5.5 billion valuation. San Francisco's Weave Robotics has begun taking orders for its $7,500 Isaac Zero laundry folding robot, with Bay Area deliveries starting this month. Here are the 5 trending AI tools that can make your work faster, easier, and way more powerful. First one is WinMa, with full control on start and end frame to create cinematic AI videos. Second is Hedra. You don't have a studio to shoot podcasts? No worries, Hedra is here. Voice and scene at your command. Third is HumanFlow. It's an AI hiring platform offering automated candidate scoring, interview preparation, and full transcript generation. Fourth is Robo, an open-source AI coworker that takes plain English instructions and automatically builds, tests, and deploys multi-agent systems. And the last one is Payui. Create advanced visuals and motion, turning your ideas into powerful digital expression. AI Flash to see what else is in AI today. YouTube has introduced an AI feature that allows premium users to generate music playlists using simple text or voice prompts on both iOS and Android. Apple's long-anticipated Gemini-powered Siri upgrade has reportedly been delayed again due to recent testing issues, and is now expected to arrive with iOS 26.5 or possibly iOS 27. Meta has begun building a massive new data center in Lebanon, Indiana, adding 1 gigawatt of capacity to power its AI and core products. Isomorphic Labs says it has achieved a major breakthrough in AI-driven drug design, advancing well beyond what AlphaFold enabled. OpenAI has officially deployed ChatGPT inside the U.S. Pentagon through a secure platform called Genii.mil, making the AI tool available to over 3 million civilian and military personnel. That's it for this week's update on AI. See you next week for more on AI. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to AI Today.